Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this crown applique. Now this applique is very easy to do as it involves basic stitches of crochet like single crochets and chain stitches. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials needed in order to make this applique are a 3 mm crochet hook, a cotton yarn and scissors. So let's begin. First make a slip knot and work 12 chains. So here I have done with the 12 chains. Now skip the first chain from the hook and into the next work one single crochet. So for the first round, going through each of the chains, work one single crochet. So I have done with the first round and at the end in total I have 11 single crochets. Now for the next 3 rounds, that is round 2, 3 and 4, the sequence is same. To work one chain and turn your work and going through each of the stitches will be working one single crochet. Since we have done 11 single crochets for the first round, so the number of single crochets will remain the same for the next 3 rounds. So just continue with this pattern, working one single crochet per stitch for 3 more rounds. So here I have come to the end of the third round. Now early in this video I mentioned that I will be making 3 more rounds, but instead of 3 more rounds I have worked just 2 more rounds as it will be fine enough. So now we will be working with the 4th round. For that work 8 chains. And turn your work. Skip the first 4 stitches and into the 5th stitch work one single crochet. Now work 7 chains. Skip the next stitch and into the next work one single crochet. Again work 8 chains. Skip the remaining stitches and into the last stitch work one single crochet. Now for the 5th round, turn your work and going inside this chain 8 space, work one slip stitch. Now to start up with the 5th round, around this chain 8 space, we will be working 9 single crochets. So work one chain and going around this chain 8 space, work 9 single crochets. So here I have done with the 9 single crochets. 7 space, work 8 single crochets. So I have done the 8 single crochets. Now again, as we have done in the chain 8 space, we have worked 9 single crochets. So going inside this chain 8 space, again we will be working 9 single crochets. So here I have done with the 9 single crochets. Now moving around this base, we'll be working 1 single crochet per stitch. Now since we have done 3 rows, so going through each of the rows on sideways, work 1 single crochet. Now moving to the base, again work 1 single crochet per stitch. Now for the base, in total I have worked 11 single crochets. Now again moving sideways, over here we will be working 1 single crochet per row. So in total I have worked 3 single crochets for this side. Now in order to end the 5th round, we will be working 1 slip stitch inside this chain space. Now for the 6th and the final round, work 1 chain and into the next 9 stitches, work 1 single crochet each. So here I worked the 9 single crochets. Now going to this part, into the first 4 stitches, work 1 single crochet each. Now we'll be working one picot stitch. For that, work 3 chains and going to the top of the single crochet, work 1 single crochet. Now into the next 4 stitches, again work 1 single crochet each. Over here we are left with the 9 single crochets of this part. So going through each of the stitches, work 1 single crochet. So I have done with the 9 single crochets. Now going to the next stitch, work 1 slip stitch. So that completes our 6th round. Now leave a long piece of yarn so that you can use it to sew your applique to any of your crochet work. So as compared to this applique, this is smaller because for doing this I have used a 3.5 mm crochet hook, and for doing this one I have used a 3 mm crochet hook. So you can go for any of the hook sizes depending upon the size of the applique that you want. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.